Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve this Nice Algebra problem. The equation we have root of 8 of root of 8 of root of 8 whole to the power of 8. So let's get start the solution. I am going to solve this equation by two different methods. So I'm going to solve it out by first method. I'm going to change this 8 in the form of power. So 2 to the power of 3 and square root of root 2 to the power of 3 of root 2 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 8. Now I'm going to remove this radical first here. So for that I was going to use the radical property, that is n root a is equals to a to the power of 1 over n. Now I'm going to apply it here. So this will be equals to 2 to the power of 3 of root 2 to the power of 3 of root 2 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 8. Now in replacement of this radical, I will going to raise 1 over 2 because radicals equals to 1 over 2 power. Now here this and this get cancelled and this will be equals to 4. Now here this will turn to 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 4. Now next I will going to express this 2 to the power of 3 in this form. 2 to the power of 3 root to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 2 times 2 and whole to the power of 4. And now we're going to solve this. So 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 3 and then this will be equals to 4 times 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now this will turn to 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 3 and then the root of 4 we have, that is 2 root of 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now we have one power here, so we have the same basis. So I was going to write here 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 4 root 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now we're going to express this in this form. 2 to the power of 3 root 2 to the power of 4 and this I was going to express in this form root of 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now I'm going to express this 2 to the power of 4 and whole to the power of 1 over 2. And here in replacement of this I'm going to write 4 root 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now here this and this get cancelled and the expression we'll get, we have the 2 power in this. So 2 to the power of 5 times 4 root 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now I will going to apply this power on both the terms. So 2 to the power of 5 and whole to the power of 4 times 4 root 2 and whole to the power of 4. Now here this will be equals to 5 4 times give us 20 times here this and this get cancelled. Here 2 is remaining. So this will be equals to 2 to the power of 21. So this is the value that we found out for the given equation. Now we're going to solve it out by second method. The second method we have, first I'm going to write the expression root of 8 of root of 8 of root of 8 and whole to the power of 8. So here I will going to write this separately. So for that root of 8 and this have 1 and 2 roots, so I'm going to write times root of 8 and this have 3 roots times root of 8 and whole to the power of 8. We're going to apply here the radical property that will change this, and root a is equals to a to the power of 1 over n. So here this will be equals to 8 to the power of 1 over 2 times here this 2 root equals to 8 to the power of 1 over 4, and we have 3 roots, so here this will be equals to 8 to the power of 1 over 8 and whole to the power of 8. Now we have the same basis, so we are going to add up the power here. 8 to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 and whole to the power of 8. So this equation turns to 8 to the power of, now we're going to take the LCM here, that is 8, and 2 4 times give us 8. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 and whole to the power of 8. This will be equals to 8 to the power of 7 over 8 whole to the power of 8. Now here this 8 and this 8 get cancelled. So here we get 8 to the power of 7. And I can write this 8 2 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 7. Now the powers are going to be multiplied. So it will be equals to 2 to the power of 21. So this is our final answer. So thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.